Hey, do you ever get out to the lake and you got nowhere to sit? Got something in today that's going to resolve that problem. Not only at the lake, but at the park or wherever else you might want to sit around. The ball game. Let's get this thing opened up and check it out. Comes in a nice carrying bag, it looks like. SITELLENCE. SITELLENCE. This company sent this to me to do a little box opening and a kind of a little quick review on it, kind of see what we think about it. So far, so good. I like the fact that it comes with a case to carry it in and a little handle to carry the case by. Also has some little straps, little hooks right there. Sling that up over your shoulder. Little instruction manual tells you how to set it up. Has adjustable height on it. Has it where you can adjust the height on it. Just push these little pegs in. You'll be able to go up a little taller. Get these adjusted. Well, that's simple enough. Back that camera up a little bit so you can see that a little better. Oh, looks like we have the little strap that went on that case where you can carry it over your shoulder. Okay, just slide that up. Has little catches right there. Oh, this one's okay. This one will go on up. 1, 2. It goes all the way up. There we go. Oh yeah, that is nice. So your front's got 1 catch and your back has 3 catches. Well, 2 catches, 1 and 2. Well, that is nice. Look at that, y'all. That is going to be perfect for fishing. There's little bags right here. You put your water bottles in, or say your wallet, whatever you need to put in there. Bone. Extra fishing tackle. There's one on each side, it looks like. Yeah, look at that. Actually, this is 2 small little pockets here. About 3 fingers wide. Oh, that one's wider. So that's 2 little different compartments right there. The other side was 1 big pocket. 1 big pocket. That is nice. Let's see how comfortable it is. Ooh. Oh, heck yeah. That is nice. Sit right here, facing the other way, of course, and fish to my heart's content and comfortable, not having to sit on the ground. You know, right here you got this concrete you can sit on, but 5 foot this way, ain't no concrete there. Well, you can see the edge, but ain't nowhere to sit. This would be really nice. Great for camping, fishing, hiking. Small enough to carry with you hiking. Put it in a backpack. Just going out to the park, whatever. Just bring your own chair right along with you. The ball game. Anywhere that you don't want to have to sit on the ground, you can take this right along with you. Comfortable. Not bad at all. I'll have to look up the weight limit on it, but I'll put it right here. You can see. Anyway. Really nice chair. Definitely a thumbs up. If you'd like to get yourself one of these chairs, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Get it in for your fishing trip tomorrow. Well, actually, probably in a couple of days. Anyway, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.